welcome to this video guys. In this video we're going to learn about sets and maps in Node.js. Okay, sets is a JavaScript object. Okay, it will allow you to store the unique values of any type. Okay, so it will not allow the duplicates. That is about the set. Okay, the key features is unique values. Okay, it can be iterable, fast in the lookups. It will maintain the order how it was inserted. Okay, this is the key features of the sets. To create a set we can use the syntax called new set, with the brackets. This one it will create the set. To add elements we can use the function called add, so we will add elements. See, any type of elements we can add. Okay, it will not allow the duplicates. That means we are adding 10 two times here, it will take only 110. Okay, but see here, in case of objects are stored with respect to reference. If you give the same object again but the reference is different, so set will allow to store that one. So while using the objects in the sets, be careful. Objects in the sense objects and arrays also. Checking if a value is exist. Okay, for this one we have a function called has. Using this one we can see this element is existed in our set or not. Okay, we can delete a element in the set. Of course we can iterate through the set. Okay, we're using the for each loop or for loop, we can iterate through it. We can convert the set into array, and thereby we can do all array operations. Of course we can convert the set into array also, and we can clear all the elements in the set using the simple clear function. Okay, coming to the map, so it is also built in object in Node.js, but allowed to store the key value pairs. But unlike the regular object, what it will do, it will allow any type of key, including numbers, objects, functions, whatnot. Any type of key you can put, okay, as a key. Okay, and it will maintain the order and the fast lookups. Okay, so to create a map we can use the function called new map. Okay, as like in the set, but here like in the set. Okay, but here to add this one, I mean to set, we have to set key value pair, right? So we can use the function called set. The first one is the key and second one is the value. Okay, but see here, observe here, any type of key we can add. See here we use the string, here number, and object you can use array functions also. Okay, so any type of key you can add. Okay, and of course accessing a value we can use the get, but see here we have to pass the key, then only we get the value. For checking if the key is existed we can use the hash, it is also with respect to key. Okay, and deleting the key value pair using with respect to key. Most of the things will happen with respect to key only in the map. Okay, so if for each loop, for of loop using this one we can iterate through it, but we can get value and key at the same time. Okay, key and value at the same time, sorry, key and value at the same time. And one more thing is important thing is that we can get all the keys using the spread operator, and we can make this one to array. Map.keys, which will give all the keys. Map.values function will give all the values. Map.entries, which is a special function, so which will give like this, like key value pairs in a array syntax. Okay, and finally we can clear the map also. Okay, so coming to the use cases of it, if you want a unique values then go with the sets, and if you want a key value pair storage go with this use map. Okay, differences is that sets will allow the unique values, maps will allow the key value pairs, but key must be unique in the maps. Okay, and of course order though, these two will maintain the order. Okay, lookup speed is faster than object and faster than array set. Okay, this is about the theory of map and set. Let's see the practical examples. Okay, I have written a set function here. I declared a set. Okay, um, at first it was empty and then I have added these many values. But observe here, the object is 10 two times and objects also two times. In a 10 two times it will not allow, but object two times it will allow, because the reference is difference here. Okay, and coming to this one we can see if 10 is already there or not. Okay, let me execute the code and so side by side, and that would be great. See here, the set is first of all it was empty. Okay, then I was added this many values. Okay, 10 is added two times, but if you see in the results we will get only 110 because it will not allow the duplicates. But see the objects, okay, will added two times but it will come two times because the reference of this object is different, so that's why it will allowed. Okay, and I'm seeing the 10 here, 10 is exist or not. As it is exists, is the true, and if I'm checking the 30 which is not there, so I get the false. Okay, and I'm deleting the 10 from the set. Okay, so now the set, there is no 10 in the set. Okay, we get only 4, and I'm iterating it, so we'll get a 20 hello object and object. And there is one more property, that is the size of set. Okay, now the size of the set is 4, so we get the 4 here. Okay, this is about the set. Okay, comment this code, we'll go with the map. Okay, so in map also, let me execute the code and I will show you side by side. At first it was at empty. Okay, so we just define, so it was at empty, and then we have added three key value pairs in it, so it was three key value pairs in it. Okay, now you can see, okay, I am getting the name. Okay, I'm getting the name as alias. I'm getting the 10, which is a key. Okay, we can add any kind of a key, so we get the as, okay, value of the key. And we're checking the name is exist or not, as name is existed, so true. Here I'm checking the age is existed. See, we are checking has of the key, not the value, so that's why there is no key called age here, so we get the false. Okay, and next one, we are deleting 10. Of course it is with to key only, so key value pair of 10 and age will be deleted, so we got this one. The remaining map would be like this: name, New York City, New York. Okay, and finally it also have the size. Okay, map has a size, that is 2. We have a 2 key value pairs here. Okay, this is one key value pair and this is one key value pair, 2 key value pairs, we get the size as 2. Okay, finally we can iterate through this one, we can get the key values at the same time. You see, name, alias, object and the location, so we are iterated and get the results. This is all about sets and maps, guys. So in the next video I will going to explain about the weak sets and weak maps. Thank you for watching.